Namaste traders, and welcome back to Forex Fun Zone, the show where serious currency talk meets not-so-serious jokes. I'm your host, here to make Forex fun, because let's be honest, watching candlesticks all day can feel like watching paint dry, unless the paint suddenly explodes. Today, we're diving into the latest Forex drama, from South Korea whispering politely to Uncle Sam, to the euro and dollar doing their never-ending dance routine. Stick around, because by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what's moving the market. And you might even get a laugh or two. Okay, headline number 1. South Korea and the United States are in talks. But guess what? Those talks hit a speed bump. And not the small speed bump outside your colony gate, I'm talking about a giant one. South Korea basically said, "Hey America, that $350 billion investment package of yours, could you please not shake our currency market like a blender?" Now, imagine trying to balance a cup of chai on a moving bike. That's what the Korean market feels like right now. If the US pushes too hard, the won could wobble and traders worldwide will feel the heat. Moral of the story, don't underestimate polite Asian countries. Behind every please, there's a strong, don't mess with my Forex rates. Meanwhile, in another corner of the world, our favorite couple is back. Euro and dollar. Right now, EUR/USD is chilling around 1.1750. The dollar has been weak. Probably because it went to the gym once and thought six-pack abs appear overnight. On the other side, the European Central Bank is being extra cautious, like an Indian mom with a new sofa cover. Traders, this is where the fun begins. A weak dollar means euro looks stronger, but don't forget, the market loves to play games. Just when you think euro is winning, boom, the dollar shows up like that uninvited relative at Diwali dinner. Expect sudden moves and keep your stop loss ready, because EUR/USD can switch moods faster than WhatsApp groups after a political meme. So, what should you do with all this info? 1. Keep your eyes glued on US-South Korea talks. If they reach a deal, stability will return, but if not, hello volatility. 2. Watch EUR/USD. Even small pips here can make a big difference. A 30-pip move might sound tiny, but with leverage, it's like going from Momo stall to 5-star dinner. 3. Don't follow news blindly. Forex headlines are like Bollywood trailers. Sometimes they show all the drama, but the actual movie is boring. Always confirm with technical analysis before you jump in. And that's today's Forex roller coaster, folks. Remember, trading isn't gambling, it's disciplined gambling with math. Just kidding. Or am I? Here's your daily reminder. The market doesn't care if you had Maggi or biryani for lunch, but it definitely cares if you forget your stop loss. Stay sharp, stay patient, and if all else fails, blame it on the dollar. Thanks for tuning in to Forex Fun Zone. Don't forget to hit that follow button because we've got more currency gossip coming soon. Until next time, trade safe, laugh often, and may your profits be larger than your broker's hidden fees. And hit subscribe button for more videos.